Welcome, everybody. It's Balala Gamer here. Today we're playing Stunt. Hold on. Stunt car racing. I just want to make a gameplay on this or a review on this game. Basically, it's stunt car racing. Basically, I'm gonna do a race. Join the game. You have different cars to get, as you can see here. Basically, you have different modes. Each episode, I'm gonna do a different mode. Let me just show you how it works. Oh crap. I'm seeing all your boy. I'm a G. Oh crap. You got your nice you got your there's a hoverboard in this game which I'm dying to, and there's like cars like that. If you can't see, there's like checkpoints. Doesn't matter of position. So basically this is not gonna be very long. It's gonna be like a 5-minute video. So I'm not gonna talk a lot because this is my very first video. Two, go! I'm sorry for that. I can't control it. I can't control it. So we just wait. This is gonna be my last race ever. I'm not gonna record. Oh, what's this? I don't think I've ever done this level. This game is realistic, so let me show you. Let's say I hit this. You see that? You hear those? You hear that different spikes? I hear the spikes tripping and it blew my tires out. So. Emoji. I can't turn. I just blew all my tires. I didn't know I just did that. I'm sorry for the lag. I don't have the fastest tablet in the world. Oh shit. This is where I'll end the video. So if you enjoyed, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.